I couldn't conceive of designing without that collection.
Innovative designers and engineers around the world are bringing their most ambitious ideas to life.
To design all of our projects, we use the Product Design and Manufacturing collection. All the different pieces of software that we need are in that one collection.
With the collection, access professional-grade tools to create everything from single parts to massive product assemblies.
Inventor has a lot of the capabilities that other CAD softwares don't have.
The last time that we made a parametric change to the model, over 500,000 parts updated automatically, and nothing broke and nothing got lost.
Unify the product development process end to end.
Everybody wants things faster, quicker, more efficient. The tools that the Autodesk software gives us helps us streamline all of our processes.
There's nothing better than seeing something that I've worked so hard on. I've thought over and over, how am I going to make this work? And to see it come to fruition, see it get built, and then see it get used throughout the world, there's not a better feeling.